A warm greetings to all. Today we are going to see a topic from the course Python programming. So here also we are going to see a topic which comes under the concept of strings. So that we shall straight away go to the topic. The topic is traversal with a for loop. Okay, right? So usually in a string we will be able to only print the string, and then we'll be able to extract the substring from the main string, or we can extract the characters from the string by using the index numbers. Okay, right? So only that operations and the method operations we can do. Okay, right? So to do those operations we have to take single character, or we have to take the complete character in the string, and we have to do. Okay, right? And apart from that we will be having many more computations. Okay, we have many lot of computations where we can use single characters from the string at that time. Okay, right? So each and every character will be taken from the string starting from the beginning, and we will be selecting each and every string or each and every character from the string. We will be doing something on that particular character, and then we will be passing to the next character. Okay, so like this we will be taking each and every character from the string, and we'll be doing the process. Okay, so this type of pattern of processing is said to be traversal. Okay, so traveling through the character which is present in that particular string. Okay, the process of traveling through the characters present in the string and doing something over those characters, those are said to be traversal. Okay, for doing the traversal we have to use the iterations, or we have to go for the iteration statements. Okay, so in Python programming we have two type of iteration statements. One is said to be while loop and another one is said to be for loop. Okay, so in this concept we can see the traversal by using while as well as by using the for loops. So here, so one of the way of writing the traversal or doing the traversal is by using the while loop. Okay, so here we have a program, and by using this program we will be illustrating that traversal. Okay, so here we have taken a string with the string name set to be fruit, and we are initializing the index number to be 0. Okay, and then we are checking whether the index is less than the length of fruit. Okay, so the length of fruit function will return the number of characters available in that particular string, or the length of that particular string. Okay, so in our case the length of the string is 5. Okay, so totally we have 5 characters in that particular string set to be fruit. Okay, so here we are checking whether the index is less than 5. Okay, right? So currently the index value is 0. Okay, so whether 0 is less than 5, right? So here the condition is true, the index 0 is less than 5. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we are initializing a variable set to be letter, and in that letter we are taking the character through the index number. Okay, fruit of index. Okay, so first fruit of 0 is taken, right? The fruit of 0 or the index number 0 contains the value set to be f. Okay, that is taken and it is given to the variable set to be letter. Okay, right? So then that particular character is printed. Okay, that particular character will be getting printed. Then in the next step what happens, then value of index is being incremented. Okay, so currently the value of index is 0, and now it is getting incremented by 1. Okay, then again the checking is done. Okay, whether 1 is less than 5. Okay, so next again the next index number, or the next index number 1 is taken, the character from that 1 is taken, right? So similarly the rotationally the traversal is done until the condition fails. Okay, until the condition fails, that is until the index become 5. Okay, so when the index become 5, what will be happening, the index will be getting over, right? So here the total index will be from 0 to 4, right? So once the index become 5, the condition will be getting failed, and what will be happening, the program will get exited by printing all the characters available in that particular string. Okay, so the next one is traversal by using the for loop. Okay, so here the for loop will be taking each and every character from that particular string and it will be printing the characters. Okay, so here we don't want to mention the index or we don't want to count the index value and so on, right? So directly the for loop will be taking the character from that particular string and those characters which are being taken by the for loop will be printed directly. Okay, right, that is the difference between the while loop and the for loop. Okay, so in case of while loop you have to go for mentioning the index, then you have to go for incrementing the index and so on, but in case of while loop that is not needed. Okay, so the characters will be taken from the string and directly that will be getting printed. Okay, so next we are going to see an example. So here we are going to use the concatenation operation with the for loop or with the traversal. Okay, so here we are going to take one string which contains the string set to be ACK, and in the next string we are going to take the letters set to be J, K, L, M, N, O, P and Q, right? So here we will be concatenating those two strings to give the new words set to be jack, cack, lack, mac, knack, oak, pack and quack. Okay, so we shall see it. So here in one of the string we have taken the letters J, K, L, M, N, O and P, Q as a string, and in the second string we have taken the word set to be AK. Okay, and then in the traversal we are reading each and every character from the first word set to be prefixes, and in the print statement we are adding the characters which are taken from the prefixes with the string which is available under the string name set to be suffix. Okay, so that what will be happening, the first letter from the prefix j will be added up with the suffix string in the suffix set to be add to produce the characters string set to be jack. Okay, similarly all the letters will be getting concatenated with the suffix to create the new set of words or new set of strings. Okay, thank you.